This video is about how Big Pharma rips you off on drugs. This is an article that came out April 25th, 2013, Arthur Kaplan and Zachary Kaplan. And it talks about how they do pay for delays, where the pharmaceutical company pays other pharmaceutical companies to delay their cheaper generic drugs so their name brand drugs continue selling. And it goes on to talk about how billions of dollars are made this year by the pharmaceutical company just by using that tactic, and we're ripped off for billions of dollars. Okay, he talks about the case of Solvay Pharmaceuticals being accused of paying off would-be generic manufacturers of the blockbuster drug Androgel. It's used by hundreds of thousands of AIDS patients, cancer patients, etc. So the generic companies were happy making money doing nothing, and Solvay was making huge money by continuing its monopoly on the AIDS market. It also goes on to talk about how ADD medications are affected and more, because they're talking about the recent deals between big pharma and generic drug makers. So we all know ADD has to do with the pharmaceutical industry as how it pertains to psychiatry, and we all know how I feel about psychiatry. It's fraud. Prescription pills are the leading cause of death in teens. And it's the most profitable industry. It's the industry of death, as has been said many times. So it says the Congressional Budget Office says pay for delay tactics cost consumers billions of dollars, and the Federal Trade Commission estimates these pay for delays will cost Americans up to $35 billion over the next 10 years. So there's a huge case in the news, and it hasn't been getting much media coverage. So keep an eye on that Solvay case and see how this is going to affect the policy and the drug companies from here on out. Thank you.